Now I'm going to show you how you can modify the footer of the company. Just double click on the footer and you can select any of the link items here. In this case, I'm going to select the getting started with the company, and in the link to field, you can add any link or page that you want, and in the content field, you can change the link title. If you wanted to add another link, you can just select any of the links that is already on the footer and just hit Ctrl D to duplicate it. To change the social links that appear at the bottom, just select one of them, and from there you can change the title of them that will appear in a tooltip when you hover your mouse there. You can also select a tabular icon. In this case, I choose Reddit for this, and you can also add any link that you want. Now we have a preview here of how does it look, and now you can see that the tooltip is appearing as we change it in our title field. If you modify the footer and the changes doesn't seem reflected on the other pages, one thing that you can do is to publish your site from inside the footer component. If you do that, then it's more likely that the changes will be updated.